Hi there, this is NiKitaNet, and what I've got on the bench today is a Siemens Gigaset AL17H, and this is a very nice one. It's a special one because it doesn't have a battery pack, which would have been an issue because replacing battery packs is always more of a hassle than just replacing some nice AAA batteries. NiMH batteries, right? 1.2 volt. 400 to 800 milliamp hours according to the manual of this thing. So they specify GP 550 to 700 milliamp hours. Can't spell this out and can't spell this out, but that's the range, and I got from my wonderful supplier some GP Recyko Plus rechargeable batteries. And to change these out, and the issue with this phone is that it doesn't charge up completely anymore. It's still functional. Sometimes these batteries degrade so badly that it won't take a charge entirely, but these have degraded to the point that they're not charging fully. So, switch off the handset, the Dect handset. Then, with this specific model, you have to pull on this and, well, lift out that nice little, well, plate, I would say. Knock out the batteries, and I am going to clean this handset because it hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. And yeah, I butchered the packaging completely, but that's fine, that's okay, because I'm after the batteries. Wow. So I paid €4.95 right this week in 2020 for these two little batteries. I think most of the cost is, to be frank, in the packaging. Well, that's just a little joke, but you get the idea. Now, oh, that's still dirty. Oh my. Well, okay. Let's just look at the molded in instructions and go by that. Right, and then it starts automatically and shows that it is not fully charged. So one recommendation I will make is charge this thing up completely before using it, and that's how you turn it off. And well, before closing up that little door, I am going to clean this part because I don't want to open it up again, and I'll detail this later on. And get the proper rating, because these were GPs, and they were rated at, well, 650 milliamp hours, which is the proper rating for such a device. And you can get higher rated batteries, but don't use them in these devices because they are, well, specified as being within this range properly. Right? So this is NiKitaNet saying thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.